Hello, my name is Rani. I'm from Pune, and I heard about Sir that he's coming to Pune, so I did this FPT course where where I learned something so magical. Few points on your face, and you are relieved magically. I feel. I had few pains like knee pain and some tricep pain, elbow pain, and we just pressed few points on the face, and I was 100% relieved. I couldn't believe this. Then I went home. I did it for my son who was suffering from cold and cough since around 3 months. So he was on antibiotic. We did quite a lot of things, but then I did few points on him just for a minute or so, and he was 50% relieved. So it's really magical. I'm so thankful to Dr. Sachdeva. It is an amazing course. We all should do it. Thank you.